Welcome back to Crummy Perfection, where we make delicious recipes simple. Today we're going to be making a lemon blueberry glazed cookie. We're going to start by preheating the oven to 350 degrees and measuring out our ingredients. You can use either fresh or frozen blueberries for this, and if you want to replace the lemon extract with zest, place it with a half tablespoon. If you're using frozen blueberries, we're going to want to pour those into a strainer and run cold water over them until the water is clear. After this, put it onto a paper towel and pat them dry and get rid of the water so it doesn't ruin the cookie. Now we're going to combine the flour, the baking soda, and the salt together. Stir and set aside. Now we're going to take our butter or margarine, soften it in the microwave until it looks like this, and add it to our mixer. Add the sugar and beat on medium speed until it has a lighter and fluffier look to it. Now scrape the edges and add the egg. Just like before, we're going to stir it until it's combined, and then we're going to add the lemon extract. Stir it and add the vanilla and do the same. Now we're done with the wet ingredients, so we're going to add in the flour mixture, doing half at a time and stirring until just combined. Scrape along the rim, and we're going to add the blueberries. Now we're going to take our prepped blueberries and begin to fold them in. The easiest way is to scrape around the rim, fold it over the top, and then cut through the center. Once the blueberries are mixed in, we're going to scoop our cookie dough onto a parchment-lined pan. They should be just a little bit bigger than golf balls. Toss that in the oven at 350 for about 15 minutes. Sometimes this recipe takes a little bit longer, so put them back in the oven for 1-minute intervals until they look like this. We're going to take the powdered sugar and add in 1 teaspoon of lemon juice. Stir it until it's this texture. If it's too runny, add a little bit more powdered sugar. If it's too thick, add water drops at a time. Glazing these is super simple. Just take a spoon, pour some over the top, and push it to the rim. I recommend getting as close to the edge as possible to spread the lemon flavor out. Thanks for sticking around to the end. If you liked the video, hit the subscribe button and like it, and check out last week's video where we made s'mores cookies.